In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's viewpoint on ANC future while examining the anchor convention cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, quite alone foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like anchor convention in an unpretentious manner. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the anchor convention value expectation and answer questions in the event that ANC basically is a wise venture or not. For what reason will ANC really succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will secure convention value rise or drop? We should rapidly sort of toss a look at what ANC is and its to-date history. ANC value forecast for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a very complete breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a sort of huge manner. When certainly add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will especially be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers especially are selling hazardous resources and moving into sort of additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the very second piece of the year, which basically is very critical. This fundamentally is reflected in our 2023 forecasts amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin quite to basically find a base before we can move in the truly inverse heading and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many basically times in the far off and later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the kind of next 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they thought. We basically anticipate whales and other sort of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike in a really significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other extremely restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which is genuinely critical. 2023-01-26 plus 0.85% $0, 0501 2023 01 272.43% $0, 0485 2023 01 28 plus 2.63% $0, 0510 2023 01 29 plus 2.23% $0, 0508 2023 01 30 plus 5.45% $0, 0524 2023 01 310.54% $0, 0494 2023 02 01 plus 3.67% $0, 0515 2023 02 02 plus 4.23% $0, 0518 2023 02 03 plus 2.28% $0, 0508 2023 02 04 5.77% 4 cents anchor convention value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which is very critical at the point when we take the inside crypto issues with extremely huge players like FTX. Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down. 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of really exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to explicitly slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, or so they in every practical sense thought. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 11.84% $0, 0438 2023 Blemish 24.75% $0, 0374 2023 APRA 29.80% $0, 0349 2023 May 21.38% $0, 0391 2023 Gen 21.03% $0, 0392 2023 Gel 8.49% $0, 0455 2023 AUG 9.87% $0, 0448 2023 SEP 3.69% $0, 0479 $2023 oct plus 4.07% $0, 0517 2023 NOV plus 2.66% $0, 0510 2023 DEC plus 17.28% $0, 0583 2024 Jan plus 17.60% 5 cents. ANC value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees ANC coming to 9 cents in 2025. What will ANC be worth in 5 years? Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of a NC in 5 years could lie around 8 cents amazingly. Anchor Convention value forecast 2030 to 2040 What Anchor Convention will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Anchor Convention coming to 24 cents in 2030. What Anchor Convention will be exceptionally worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Anchor Convention coming to 48 cents in 2040. Will secure convention substitute, generally outperform, truly surpass Bitcoin in a huge manner? No, Anchor Convention won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will secure convention sort of reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Anchor Convention to reach $1,000 in the very short or midterm period in a significant manner. Is Anchor Convention worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner? We truly are supporters of modestly unsafe money management. Contribute the greater part of prettier crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Anchor Convention basically merits purchasing. Is Anchor Convention a kind of wise venture? Anchor Convention is, very much like all kind of other digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It accomplishes generally have higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the especially great use case, very much planned tokenomics, kind of dynamic local area, and a kind of strong group behind it in a quite large manner. How much will more convention basically be worth, which explicitly is very huge? For the transient future, it could basically reach 2 cents in a significant manner. In the long haul, it could leap to 24 cents or much higher, which is genuinely huge. For what reason will more convention succeed and basically get more expensive in an unpretentious manner? Anchor Convention has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and an exceptionally strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and that fundamentally is the reason our expectation model sees Anchor Convention ascending to 24 cents in 2030 amazingly. For what reason will more convention fizzle and drop in value, in spite of mainstream thinking? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. The absolute most fundamentally normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers really proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, certainly more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising methodology, losing local area support, most certainly likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to in a real sense draw in new designers.